Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading tech-enabled real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Daffodil Waterfront project, which is located in Behala Chowrasta, Kolkata. So friends, this is the exterior view of the project, that is Daffodil Waterfront, and this is the connecting road, and this way leads to Behala Chowrasta. And this way leads to Maheshtala. This project is a ready to move in project. This is the main entrance, and now we are moving inside the project. This project is built across 0.35 acres of land, which carries one tower of 39 number of units with 8 floors each. So friends, this is the parking area. You can see this is the parking slot, and here is the basement parking. Over there you can see the lake view, which is in front of the project, and that's why it's called waterfront project. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.